Hey there, this is registered dietitian Maya Feller. Did you know that families can create their favorite holiday recipes with healthy, affordable foods from Amazon this season? I'm so excited to team up with Amazon to share how they're making grocery shopping easier than ever for all customers. They're making groceries more accessible and helping families make healthy choices by accepting SNAP benefits on Amazon.com and Amazon Fresh to shop shelf-stable pantry items, fresh foods, and ingredients. Some of my favorite holiday memories and traditions take place at the table. As a registered dietitian, I recommend that patients add nutrient-dense options to their pattern of eating. All of these dishes are representative of foods in their whole and minimally processed forms and are bursting with flavor. At my holiday parties, the perfect appetizer is a customizable board. Today, we're featuring a mix of flavors and textures, including spiced nuts and seeds, veggies, and some wonderful dips. For the main, I enjoy roasting a chicken in a Dutch oven with seasonal veggies like onion, garlic, and squash. Then choose a starch that's culturally relevant to round out your dish. A delicious end to a wonderful meal is a simple baked apple and pear topped with honeyed yogurt and pistachio for added crunch. Plain full-fat yogurt is a great nutrient-rich option to add to desserts. All of these items and more, including pasta, rice, and beans, are SNAP EBT eligible on Amazon. And the best part is that qualifying orders can be delivered right to your door for free. Plus, customers who enroll their benefits on Amazon will also receive free access to Amazon Fresh and 50% off Prime membership. For more information and to enroll your benefits, visit amazon.com/snap and get ready to create nutritious and delicious meals this holiday season.
For more What's Trending Now, head over to inthenews.tv.